So I have spent many hours for this tutorial because I have written many source code, but when I run, many problems are occurred which we cannot debug. So also I will also prepare a playlist for debugging of you will debug and give me some ideas. So let's jump to our today's topic without wasting more time. So battery notifier, I have given this new notifier. Okay, now import what import to PSUTIL. Okay, maybe I don't know. Okay, now let's util. Okay, import. Okay, now from applier. Okay, liar. Okay, import notification, import time. Okay, import time. Okay, so there's are the only libraries we should import, and now that we will make a variable. So battery is equal to, okay, while true. Okay, now we will import. Okay, there is something. But again, I just while true. Now what happened? Okay, percent is equal to percent. Okay, okay, notification dot. Got notified. Okay, that's good. Okay, it's okay. Well, uh, okay, let's now. Okay, timeout. How much you want to show the video? Okay, I am giving only 5 seconds. Okay, so let's close this and now run time dot sleep. Okay, now okay, that's our. Okay, now we will run and see. Uh, it should be okay. Maybe there is some problem with this. Let's be sure. Okay, so SGR. Okay, now percent. Okay, okay. That's why you are import. So let's okay. So it's the drawbacks. One of the drawbacks of the Copilot. So let's try to. Oh, that's yes. This is pop up. Wow, you can see that for 5 seconds it will. After 5 seconds it will be gone. So what is this? Okay. So you can see now we will break the okay break the okay or it will break and now we will run again. So you can see okay running 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that this will pop up. We have given 5 times for 5 seconds. 5 seconds. So let's finish, but let's complete this loop. Then you can see that some of the Python version will not support this flyer, and some of the will not support. So if not support, you may install pip. After pip, then you will run it. Okay, so after pip you can run it, and I am using 3.7.6, so this will be run in this way. Okay, so that's all for today's. If you have any suggestions, I think that it's not stopping, it's become more than five times. Please write in the comment box that what happening and how we should make this more proper. So thank you